What's going on, gang? Friday morning here, 3 jobs a day, all in the same neighborhood. Just wanted to pop on here, man, and give you guys some inspiration. I know I ain't been posting a lot lately. I've been grinding this December month. A lot going on. Out here getting these jobs done. Phone's been blowing up. A lot of business planning, thinking about the future, what's things gonna hold. But anyways, man, want to give you guys a quick little tip while I'm out here. If you can batch your jobs, so I guess the lesson would be route optimization. I learned this when I used to own a landscape company, and it's about being efficient with the times that you drive, right? So if I have 3 jobs and they're all 20 minutes apart each, well, that's going to be 20, do the job, 20, do a job, 20, do a job, and then however long that's going to be to come back home or to your office. But if you can batch them, which means, for example, today, 20 minutes to this neighborhood from where I live, but I have 3 jobs in this same neighborhood. So it's gonna be 20, 2, 2, 2, 20 back home. And what that'll do is allow you to get more work done in less time, be more efficient, less money on gas, which is gonna be more money in profit for you and your business. And also just less time having to be out in the field. I'll be able to make the same amount of money today that I would on a different day if I had to do a lot more traveling. Now, this may not be as important to some of you guys who live in big cities with a lot of neighborhoods where your homes are already clustered together. But for someone like me who kind of lives on the outskirts of a city, it's imperative that I pay attention to where my jobs are, and then I schedule them accordingly. So, maybe someone reaches out, they want a quote, you sell them, you get them squared away, and you can do that job in 2 weeks because it's just kind of how it makes sense on the schedule and you're batching. And sometimes that means I can get to a job in like 3 or 4 days because, oh, they're in a town that I'm going to. Let's go ahead and add a 4th job to that day, so it makes sense. I'm not driving back out there just for one job on a different day later on, right? So being smart about how you optimize your routes, how you batch your jobs, it's one, going to make you more efficient. It's going to be more convenient for your customers. You're going to make more money in that day because it's less money spent on overhead costs, i.e., gas and things like that, as well as just opportunity costs. If I'm spending an hour, 2, 3 in a car on a day, I'm not making money driving. I'm making money by doing gutter cleanings and or providing quotes and driving by and talking to customers, right? So more time in a car, or more time on the roofs, on the gutters, getting jobs done, talking to customers, less time in the car, listening to podcast or music or whatever trash stuff you guys listen to. So anyways, man, let's have a good day. Let's get it knocked out. And as always, baby, keep them clean.